We are at
Pizza for Peas.
this is our favorite pizza in Bangalore. I've tried all types of pizza in Bangalore and nothing comes close to this, okay? And we've been trying to get into this place for the last 3 months, but they never gave us a reservation. Actually, we never took a reservation. We've tried to just walk in, but lately they're not appreciating walk-ins. They're like, if you don't have a reservation, don't come. Today, luckily, chef just walked in and she's like, yo, listen, if you don't give me a place, I'll burn the place down. So we got a table for 4 instead of 2. They got so scared that they gave us a table for 4 instead.
Anybody wants to join us?
Anybody wants to join us? Double date. Let's start with our Diet Coke. No Sunday ritual is complete without a sip of Diet Coke. 9 on 10 Diet Coke. Bobby's, just look at this place. It is beautiful, isn't it? They have their wood-fired ovens over there and all the pizzas are made in there. We're both dressed a little extra. The last time we came here, we were dressed like we were homeless. I came in joggers.
Oh my god, yeah.
Right, the last time Chef and I came, I was in joggers. But this time,
I was still dressed well.
yeah, Chef was dressed well. But this time, we're both dressed a little nice, huh? She's dressed a little extra. She's done makeup today.
What makeup? I have no makeup on my face.
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
Yeah, that's all.
But you know what? It's always better to be overdressed than underdressed.
यही सोच के मैं आज loafers पहना था and I already have a shoe bite. It's hurting me. You know, I've put Band-Aid. I should have just worn my Birkenstock chappal. Guys, just look at that, man. That's like God's creation. After how long are you eating this pizza?
Bro, 4 months? 5 months?
She's been wanting this pizza for so long, but they never gave us a place. Today, we're going to send it. This is basically a half and half pizza. They give you the option कि आप left side एक toppings डालो, right side एक toppings डालो. So we've taken Tokyo chicken curry on the left side, which in my opinion is the best pizza here. And on the other side, we've put peri peri. Which one do you want to go first?
Peri peri, actually.
Yeah, we'll save Tokyo chicken for the last. Yeah, please serve. Thank you, madam. Let's send it, Bobbies. Cheers. Oh my god. Chef,
No word.
I love this pizza. I don't mind waiting 12 months also for this because this is so freaking good. God, don't jinx it. Please give us a place here every month.
I have a friend coming over and I want to get her here, so...
Chef has a friend coming from Mumbai and she's like, this is the first place that I want to take her to.
We'll eat Tokyo curry pizza now?
Let's go. Tokyo curry pizza tastes like roti sabzi, you know, because it is technically chicken curry on a pizza.
Maybe that's why we like it so much.
Yeah, maybe that's why we like it so much. We are so desi that we like our pizzas also like Indian food.
Always Indian at heart.
It's great.
But I like the peri peri better today.
The peri peri is more tangy. So if you're somebody who likes the tartness of a tomato, you will love the peri peri chicken pizza.
Plus, it is spicy. A little.
Really?
Yeah, it is. You get that, you know, after you finish, you get that hint of spice on your tongue.
If somebody took you to Pizza for Peas on the first date, would you approve of that person?
Yeah, definitely.
Like imagine they tried to get a reservation for you and they took you. Even with an ugly guy, you'd still accept him, no? At least you'd go on the first date
Yeah.
because he's taking you to Pizza for Peas.
I'd go for the pizza and then I'd leave him.
Should we get the same thing again or should we go out somewhere else?
I think by the time we finish it, we'll sort of be like, we should go out.
The thing is, they have a lot of things on the menu, okay? They have pastas, they have mac and cheese, and they have other dishes as well. But we've noticed that they do pizza insanely good and everything else average, right?
We've tried a lot of things on the menu.
Desserts are also made, starters are also made, but the pizza's phenomenal.
The only thing we've not tried is a vegetarian pizza, which apparently is also good. Like the burrata cheese pizza, I've heard it's good.
Guys, I want to take a minute and talk about the pricing at Pizza for Peas. Our entire bill came to only 1,011 rupees. That is one pizza, one Diet Coke and extra chicken on our pizza. Isn't that a value deal?
Great value for money, bro. Like, great.
If you're in Indiranagar and you can have a meal for 1,000 rupees with a drink and something that tastes this good, you're not going to find it anywhere else.
Yeah, but we're also forgetting the fact that it doesn't completely fill you up, let's be honest.
That's true. But a second pizza would be too much.
Yeah, but probably a starter of your choice and one pizza would be good.
If you're coming here alone, 1,000 rupees, you're done. Now we've decided to go to Azuki Bistro for our second dinner. Azuki Bistro is a Japanese restaurant and they specialize in sushi. So we're gonna get 2 two sushis, maybe 2 different types of sushi and 1 ramen. Lately, I've been eating a lot of Japanese food, and it's a phase. Okay, I'm going through a phase.
You've become a sushi girl.
Yeah, I've become a sushi girly, guys. What to do? We have been walking non-stop for the last 45 minutes.
Are you kidnapping me?
Look at our conditions. We are exhausted.
You're kidnapping me, no?
I'm kidnapping you. Yeah, I'm taking you to some place that even I don't know where we are. This is Alfred Street, and Azuki Bistro is just 100 meters from here. But it's been one hectic walk, man. That pizza is burnt.
People in the comments ask you how you eat so much and stay so fit.
Yeah, you guys want to know? It's this. From one restaurant to the other, we walk. After walking non-stop for 50 minutes, we've now arrived at Azuki Bistro. Let's hope this is going to be worth the walk. Bro, this looks damn nice. Entrance itself is so nice. We are now at Azuki Bistro, and this place is giving heavy Japanese vibe. Just look at that. It's quite similar to Kuraku that we've been to in Rex Mall, right?
Oh, I thought you were going to say Naru.
No. Naru, although they serve authentic Japanese fare, it's not so well done, right? They rely more on the exclusivity and the taste more than anything. So,
Bro, if anybody wanted a guide to Bangalore food, they just have to come across your vlog channel, like literally.
yeah, should I launch a, Bangalore food guide? Like a map where I point each and every restaurant that I've been to and the ones I recommend and what you should get from those places.
All the money you make from that, you should give it to me.
I would offer it for free. That is the spicy tuna sushi, and that is my spicy salmon sushi, and it comes on a ship. Bro, this is so unnecessary.
So cute.
But that's very less meat, bro. We'll start with tuna first because salmon is going to be fatty and better. Yeah, this is tuna. Let's go. Cheers. Insanely good. Wow. My only complaint is that there's not enough meat. Otherwise, it's really good, guys. Let's try the salmon now. Salmon not as flavorful as the tuna, but still pretty good.
You know, it has a slight chew to it towards the end, don't you think so?
The chew is because of the wrap, the sushi wrap.
Seaweed wrap.
Guys, there's a lot of Japanese text in the decor here. क्या पता Japanese में गाली दे रहे हैं? We wouldn't even know, right?
Yeah.
What if they've written Mohit tu chutiya hai?
That is true only. They don't have to write it.
That is true only. Guys, she's upset because they're making us wait like 30 minutes for our ramen. After a long wait, my Python chicken ramen is finally here. This does look a little high fat. Probably 900 calories in that bowl. Maybe more also. I don't really know. How's the broth?
Flavorful.
Really? It does not look that flavorful. Okay, that's very fatty. This tastes too authentic for my liking.
Guys, you have to Indianize everything to like it.
Let's try the chicken.
Looks really soft.
Chicken's good. Do you like it?
Do you want me to be honest?
Yeah, be honest.
I don't like it.
You don't like it, no? Even I'm not a fan of it. Guys, daily sushi ramen, I prefer that more. This is just a little more authentic.
Would you come here again?
I would. Maybe not for the ramen though.
Sushi.
We've also gotten some Japanese green tea, and that's the first time I'm going to be trying Japanese green tea. I've never had this before. Of course, I've had regular green tea. Regular green tea is a great hunger suppressant. Did you know that? It can really help you fast for longer hours. No, it does not burn your belly fat.
Anushka Sharma used to come for the ad of Tetley green tea and be like...
Lipton, no, she used to come
Lipton,
for.
Lipton, haan, Lipton.
Yeah, she used to be like burn belly fat with green tea. Japanese green tea is same as regular green tea, guys.
Is it sweet?
No, green tea is never sweet. Green tea is herbal. Guys, we got Doraemon ka Dora cakes. They literally call it Dora cakes, guys.
It's chocolate though.
Look at that. I don't know if that's chocolate inside. Looks like a jam. Cheers. It's so airy.
What is that?
I don't know. It's nice though. Do you like it?
No complaints. I will eat anything that's sweet.
I feel like I can down like 5 of these.